Well, hey there, Meandears. It's Ashley. We're out here at Hollywood Studios tonight. It's about 5 days past Halloween, so of course, by all means, it's the holidays. I came out to see what kind of Christmas decorations they had up here. This is one of my favorite parks at the holidays, and it's coming together for Jollywood Nights. And we'll just take a look around. Rising to Resistance is down, Tower of Terror is down, so that's making the wait times go way up for everything else. I think we may just walk around, go to Baseline Tap House and get one of those strawberry hibiscus sodas. All right, now everything's starting to come to life. Look how pretty the lights are. I'm sure they're getting ready to install some of the decorations for Jollywood Night, which starts next week. I imagine the park conversation is a little crowded because this whole area is shut off. The former Muppets courtyard is shut off, so this park is a lot smaller right now. And there's the ice rink for goodness sake. Change of plans, they're out of that. Apparently, it was running flat and they haven't replaced it, so we'll just have to figure something else out. I miss my Muppets. This will be really cool, though. I like exploring new areas and seeing what Imagineering does with ideas, but I will miss my Muppets. So the wait for Rise of the Resistance, it came back up. It was only 35 minutes, so I'm going in while the getting's good. My mic went out as I got into the queue for this ride, so a little bit of it I didn't have a sound for. I just wanted to say, if you are in Hollywood Studios, and even if you don't care anything about Star Wars, ride this ride because it just is an example of what is possible. It's insane.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything? Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. This is them. We can't. We're caught in a tractory. It's both us in these worlds.
Phew, glad we made it. It's a little touch and go there at the end. Not a whole lot in the way of Christmas decorations over here in Toy Story Land, except for the Christmas lights that are here all year. But Buzz did wish us happy holidays, so there's that. This is a beautiful land at night, though. I love it over here.
Howdy, folks! Rex and me are getting ready for the holidays by stringing up these here lights. How's it going up there, Rex?
I wish you happy holidays, but I'm all tied up right now.
There's a snake in my boot, but that's not going to stop me from welcoming all you new toys to Andy's backyard.
Okay, I think there's some concept art in here about the new projects they're doing around the parks. Let's go see what we can find. This one hits me in the feels because I wasn't even born yet when Walt passed away. I did watch reruns of this every Sunday night when I was a little kid with my dad. I was supposed to be there a couple of weeks ago. However, I canceled my trip because I bought a house in Orlando, so I'll get there soon. All right, here's the concept art for Monstropolis. Okay, now I'm a whole lot less sad about them taking out the Muppet. I'm still going to miss them. I hope that they come back in some way besides Rock and Roller Coaster. And hopefully soon we get this kind of concept art of this project. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway said 25 minutes. This is not a 25-minute line. Let's see how long it actually takes. It's 6:51 right now. 10 minutes till the pre-show. I knew it.
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen. Oh no! I must have been that cat switch. There they are! Oh boy! We made it! Nothing can stop us! We have to stop before morning all over.
Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready and...
Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Gosh, what's this lever do?
I thought about going over to Hollywood Derby and getting a Cobb salad, but I don't think I can eat it all, and that would kind of be a waste of a lot of money. So I'm just going to go over here to ABC Commissary and maybe grab a sandwich. I ordered the buffalo chicken grilled cheese sandwich with the arugula farro salad as the side. I'll probably be picking the cranberries out of it, but otherwise that looks pretty good. That's a good sandwich. That's a good salad. That is a solid meal for, I don't know how much it was, but it sure was at $28. And I even got a little Cabernet. I'm going to eat it, and then we will go back to Hollywood Boulevard to see the lights and maybe check out the holiday merch and see what's out. Okay, here's the lights. It's amazing how fast they get this stuff up after Halloween. I spy some holiday merchandise. That is totally not my style, but I'm sure it's somewhat. Or I'm not. How much are these jewels? $24.99. It's actually less than I expected. Okay, that was some of the fancy Christmas merch. Let's go see what they have. Sunset Club Couture. Hey guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. Getting a little tired. The holiday decorations are beautiful, yet partial. Can't wait till they get the Christmas tree up. There's a lot of holiday merchandise. I'm not sure if that's all of it. We'll be back over here and I will let you know, because again, this is my favorite part at the holidays. It's always turns to that beautiful Hollywood, Tinseltown vibe. If you're enjoying coming along with me on these vlogs, please like this video, share it, comment, subscribe. All of that really helps me grow this baby channel more than anything. Just a heads up, I had an ulterior motive filming this video tonight. Maybe you'll notice a little bit of cinematic difference when you're watching it, and I'll explain that in the next video. In the meantime, thanks for meandering with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.